Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes taste better. First, always begin with fresh, high-quality ingredients like good flour and fresh eggs. This makes a significant difference. A small pinch of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon, helps to balance the sweetness and enhance other flavors. Remember, do not overmix your batter. A few lumps are perfectly fine and lead to a tender pancake. To truly elevate your pancakes, consider adding flavor boosters directly to the batter. A teaspoon of vanilla extract or a half teaspoon of almond extract can add wonderful aromatic depth. For a bright, fresh taste, zest 1 lemon or orange into the mix. Alternatively, a teaspoon of cinnamon or nutmeg provides a warm, comforting spice that everyone loves. Achieving the perfect texture is key to delicious pancakes. For an incredibly fluffy result, separate your egg whites, whip them to soft peaks, and gently fold them into the batter. Using buttermilk or adding 1 tablespoon of vinegar to 1 cup of regular milk creates a tender crumb. Also, let your batter rest for 10 to 15 minutes before cooking. Finally, the right toppings can transform your pancakes. A classic choice is warm maple syrup and fresh berries, like blueberries or strawberries. For something extra special, try a homemade fruit compote or a generous dollop of freshly whipped cream. You can also add chocolate chips or chopped nuts directly into the batter for delightful variations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.